Hello everyone, myself Mani Sharma from RPIT campus. In today's class, I discuss about the antipsychotic agents. First is the introduction. Neuroleptic synonyms for the antipsychotic drug. Originally indicated drug with antipsychotic efficacy but also neurologic side effects. Now claimed as the subtype of antipsychotic drugs. First is the typical neuroleptic older agent fitting this description. A typical antipsychotic, newer agents, antipsychotic efficacy with reduced or no neurological side effects. Next is the history. There are reserpine, chlorpromazine, neuroleptic agents. The discovery of clozapine was in 1959. Antipsychotic drugs need not causes EPS. Next is the nature of psychosis and schizophrenia. The presence of false beliefs, various types of hallucination, usually auditory or visual, but sometimes tactile or olfactory. Disorganized thinking in a clear sensorium. The serotonin hypothesis of schizophrenia, hallucination such as the LSD, lysergic acid diethylamide, and mescaline are the serotonin 5-HT agonist. 5-HT2A receptor blockage is key factor in the mechanism of action of main class of atypical antipsychotic drugs such as the clozapine and quetiapine. 5-HT2C receptor stimulation provides a further means of modulating. Was the first neurotransmitter based concept. Excessive limbic dopaminergic activity plays a role in the psychosis. Many antipsychotic drugs strongly block the postsynaptic D2 receptors, include partial dopamine agonists such as aripiprazole and the befronox. Drugs that increase the dopaminergic activity either aggravate schizophrenia psychosis or produce psychosis do novo, and the dopamine receptors density is high postmortem. The atypical antipsychotic drug much less effect on D2 receptors, role of other dopamine receptors and to non-dopamine receptors. Glutamate is the major excitatory neurotransmitter in the brain. Phencyclidine and ketamine are the non-competitive inhibitors of the NMDA receptors. Hypofunction of NMDA receptors locally on GABAergic interneurons. These are the chemical types of the chlorazepine and the thyroid, and also there are some chemical types olnazepine and the geprasidone are all the chemical types. Aliphatic, piperazine, some are the classes. Relation of the chemical structure to potency and the toxicities. Thank you. In today's class, I discuss about the various types of antipsychotic agent. Thank you.